Good morning, everybody. Sorry, I just woke up. I'm not even dressed yet. I just had to come down and, do all my morning stuff that I want to share with you guys. So I am on the Swagbucks website because I need to get in a habit to start printing coupons from that site. Every coupon you print, you get $1 or 1 point of a Swagbuck, and then if you guys redeem it at your local grocery store, you guys end up getting 10, but it does take a couple weeks to get the 10 points. But I'm here to share with you guys new coupons to print. I didn't even look yet, but I'm pretty excited. I think there is a Ibotta deal for this, so I'm just going to print this off anyways. But let's just keep rolling. I'm hoping there's some decent coupons. $1 off L'Oreal, I think that's old. Spam. It looks like the Arm & Hammer. I didn't print that one, so I don't think it reset, but we'll just keep rolling. This one's to move down. Looks like they did add Neutrogena, so we got $4 off of Neutrogena, $1 off of Neutrogena, $3 off of Stay Free, and this. So I'm going to add all these. We got $1 off Carefree. Sorry, I want to say Caress. $4 off of Neutrogena, $2 off of Neutrogena. So it looks like Neutrogena is the winner of this coupons.com thing. Here we got Playtex Gentle Glide, Scrubbing Bubbles, buy one get one free, $1 off Skitimint shave thing. I know there's a deal at Kroger's that I might want to do with that. More Neutrogena. I'm just going to print these off, and then we got $1 off of Stay Free. Let's see if there's any new other coupons. Not seeing very much. I mean, it's not as exciting as it was like last week, but that's cool. Okay. And that is all that I'm seeing for new coupons to print. So I would definitely go to coupons.com and print these off so you guys can see new deals. Let's just keep on trucking. Okay, so those are new deals or new coupons to print that I wanted to share with you guys. And let's see if any coupons disappeared in case you guys haven't printed any of those off. Now they did add $1.50 off of Clorox too. I did print those off for that, and then the Arm & Hammer did not reset. The Johnson & Johnson didn't reset. CoverGirl. So none of those coupons reset, but I just wanted to share with you guys those deals, and I hope you guys have an awesome Mother's Day. See you guys later. Bye-bye. Okay, I also want to show you guys coupons that are on smartsource.com. So they did add Rubbermaid coupons. So here you get $2 off of Rubbermaid Pitcher, Mixer Mate, Ice Tray, Party Platter. Here you get $2 off the Rubbermaid Easy Lids. I usually find some really good deals when I find those coupons. I think I'm getting those coupons from where I ordered. First Quality, I'm not sure who has these, but it's the Cuties brand. I'm not sure who sells that, so if you guys know who sells that, you can put in the comments below or print those off. Some Milo's Tea, but yeah, I'm just on the Smart Source. Here there's that $1 off Rimmel that's still on Smart Source. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to add that to you guys to show you guys. Okay, see you guys later. Bye-bye.